This is a video on the vocabulary of 11A and 11B. 11A is, let's start with domain. It is the allowable inputs, or X values. On a graph, you will look for the left to right boundaries. The range is the possible outputs of a function, or the Y values of the function. If you're looking at a graph, you're looking from the floor to the ceiling boundaries. The Y and X-intercept functions have one Y-intercept, if they have one at all. And the Y-intercept is going to look like this. It's going to have 0 for the X for sure. And the Y will be whatever the coordinate is on the Y-axis. There could be more than one X-intercept. And the X-intercepts, it is the Y that is 0. And again, you could have multiple of these crossing the x-axis, but you look for where it crosses the x-axis, the y is 0. The intervals where the graph is positive are x intervals, where graph is above the x-axis. Whereas the intervals where the graph is negative are the x intervals. There could be more than one or none, where graph is below the x-axis. For 11B, our three vocabularies were the following. Intervals where the graph is increasing are, again, x intervals. Where the graph is going up from left to right. It's going to be going in that direction. And intervals where the graph is decreasing are x intervals. Where the graph goes down. Now it's key from left to right, so you have to think about it like a train going from left to right. We only look left to right, and if it's going as you go left to right, we're going down. Then our function is decreasing. Lastly, average rate of change. So you're going to be given x1 and x2. You have to find their outputs, so find y1 and y2. So find their y values. Then you're going to look for the slope. Which, if you recall, is rise over run, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.